Have you ever dreamed of exploring a place where lush volcanic peaks meet the endless Atlantic? Welcome to the Azores, a stunning archipelago bursting with adventure. Hike dramatic crater lakes, unwind in natural geothermal springs, and witness majestic whales breaching offshore. Dive into vibrant local culture, where traditions blend with breathtaking scenery. Don't miss savoring fresh seafood, like octopus stew and grilled limpets. Which Azores experience would you try first? Comment below and remember to like and follow us on TikTok at WeedChosen.1s for more travel inspiration.